Hey everybody, and I'm going to do a quick little tutorial here on preparing and seeding your rock wool for use in the tower garden. In case you're wondering why I'm wearing gloves, rock wool is, if you don't know what it is, it's spun rock. It's melted and it turns into a stringy, wiry substance that's a lot like fiberglass. So handling this stuff dry is like handling fiberglass. So it can irritate your skin and stuff. So I always wear gloves when handling it. Plus, I don't want to contaminate my surfaces as well. Now, when you buy the rock wool from yougrowfood.com, or you buy it from us in one of our links that we send out, you get it. You can buy. I forget how much comes in one batch, but there's quite a few of them, and it comes in a big block like this. This is actually one I already started to cut up, and it comes in, this box right here. What I like to do, since I use them individually, not as full sheets, plus they're easier to handle for me, is I cut them up into this individual pieces that we'll be using. So I store them like this, because I use them one at a time. Unless I'm starting a big batch, I cut them up like that. So they're very easy to cut. And today we're gonna plant just one extra cilantro plant. So I am going to just prepare one for seeding, to go to seedling. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you how I prepare these rock wools to store them, so that they're not a big cumbersome and break apart. So if you leave them together like this and you're moving them around into boxes, they could break, and then they could break down the middles, and then you damage and waste them. Why waste it? They're melting rock to make these, so don't waste it. So as you can see, they cut very simple, and you could use just a standard knife and just right through them. It cuts through it like butter, and you don't even have to put much pressure on it, and they just cut real simple. They're very light. Alright, we'll do as you can see here, see this rough edge where they're all ripped apart and it's shredded? This edge right here, I don't know if you can see that in the video. Yeah, you can right there. This edge right here, this is where it was ripped off because it's stored in a big piece. Now the problem with this is these little pieces here, they break off and they become little pieces like this. They get into your water system, your supply, and they could just become a nuisance, or they can get on your skin and really irritate the heck out of it. So I just go through and I just cut them nice and neat. It's not hard to do. Just cut them so it gives you a nice clean edge. And this is just a plain old household steak knife, and it cuts right through it. Very little pressure. You'll see. Alright, and then we just cut through them to make the individual pieces. So that one didn't cut all the way through. Alright. So there's the end piece that was ripped. Okay. I'm going to throw those in the box to store. We'll finish up these last couple ones real quick. As you can see, I can cut through them pretty quick when I'm not trying to give you a little demonstration. Oh, that one didn't. Oop. Okay. The last batch here. As you see, I'm not even using a cutting board because I'm not even pressing hard. No need for that. I'm just using a towel to absorb any because I'm working with water here on this table and I don't want to get anything wet. So, all right, we'll get these all out of the way for now, and we'll store them on the side. And I'm going to show you how to prepare the Rockwookl for seeding. Ooh, nice little supply. I don't think I'm going to need Rockwookl for a little while, unless I'm a farmer, in which case probably going to need more. Let's put this on the side for now. There we go. All right, so I have my solution here. And this solution is just plain old water that's been pH balanced to 5.6. 5.6, 5.5 is where I balance my pH for that. And you just simply drop in your Rockwookl. It'll soak up. And it'll soak. Now, a lot of people like to let it soak for, a half hour or something like that. It's one little Rockwookl cube. All right, let it soak a little bit. Okay, and then we'll come back to that in a little bit. Okay, show you the next step after that.